Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is April 8, 2024, Monday. So first the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it. Nifty, it closed at 21604.50, 0.22% up. Nifty opened the gap up and formed a doji. It is nicely riding along the Bollinger upper band, and also Nifty touched a new high for the calendar year 2024. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign as far as Nifty is concerned. So it is on a nice riding, okay. But only thing is that don't expect a big runaway rally. It will slowly but steadily keep going up, which is what the movement is happening. But in the weekly chart, because it made such a massive up move last week, not only Nifty, it is applicable for all the three indices. So we expect it to have some sort of small up move or sideways move this week. That is what it is overall. On the BankNifty, it again formed 0.18% up, 48,581.70. The same story as that of Nifty. It opened a gap up and formed a perfect doji. But normally what happens in such a riding this one, doji means it is there is a chance that there is a pullback candle. That is a small pullback candle that is possible, but the up move is very big, hence the up move is intact, but there can be a small pullbacks that can happen tomorrow itself. On the Nifty, it is 22,666.30, 0.68%. It formed a solid green candle. Unlike Nifty and BankNifty formed solid green candle because it is still below the Bollinger upper band. While both Nifty and BankNifty are above the upper band, and hence the upper band keeps going up and the price also is keeping moving up. But whereas in the case of Nifty, it is still below the Bollinger upper band. That means there is further headroom available for Nifty to go, while Nifty and BankNifty might see some sideways. But notwithstanding that, we can expect some sideways in the next 1 or 2 days. Overall, banks, CUB Yes Bank fell 2%, Punjab National Bank fell 3%, Bandhan Bank had a massive fall of 6%. They say it is like because the promoter director is going to move out, is going to resign, or his term is coming to an end by July or whatever is the case. But it is more of, I have been telling that Bandhan Bank is something, technically it is weak. Any up move, there is no strength in the any up moves that it is showing. And again, on last week it was just above the 50-day moving average. From there it had a big fall today. IndusInd Bank 1% up, Axis Bank and IDFC 2% up. On the financials, Chola, Jio and L&T Finance 1% down. Bajaj Finserv, Manappuram, Muthoot 1% up, Shriram 2% up, IDFC 3% up. Insurance and cards, SBI cards 1% down, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru 1% up, SBI Life 2% up. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance moved up, Bharti by 1% and Reliance by 2%. Reliance had a massive move. That's why Nifty had a very big up move today. That's why it formed a powerful solid green candle, 0.68% up, because mainly due to the massive movement of Reliance. On the IT, AFL, LJM, Wipro 1% down, Birlasoft, Coforge, LTTS, Emphasis 2% down, Intellect 3% down. On the consumer goods, nothing moved up as far as IT is concerned. On the consumer goods, Bata, Colpal, Nestle 1% down, ABFRL, DMart, Pidilite, PVR 1% up, Page Industries 2% up. Automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Motherson, Tata Motors 1% up, Bharat Forge, Escorts 2% up, TVS Motors, M&M and Maruti 3% up, Eicher Motors 4% up. In the metals, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Vedanta 1% up, JSW 2% up, NMDC 3% up. Health and Pharma, Apollo 1% down, Thyrocare 2% down, Cipla and Divis 1% up, Metropolis 2% up. On the others, Aries, Havels, Polycab, URL 1% down, Adani Ports, Jubilant Food 2% down, along with Z, Delta Corp, IDLF, IRCTC, Zomato, MCX 1% up, APL Apollo, L&T 2% up, Godrej Properties, Indigo 3% up, Nykaa had a big move of 6%. So with all these things, what is the tomorrow is FinNifty expiry. So FinNifty, if you see from here, FinNifty, the resistances are very, very hard to find. The first resistance I can think of is the monthly middle band, which is at monthly upper band, sorry, which is at 21,817. These are all dynamic levels. That is something which is seen as something like good resistance. Then above which is the weekly upper band, Bollinger upper band, that is at 21,882. Somewhere here is the Fibonacci 261.8. Retracement is also 820, 30, 40 levels. So that is where all these resistances one can think of. As far as support is concerned, so the daily upper band, as I told you, that it is above the Bollinger upper band. Hence, now the bulls will try to protect the upper band, but because it has formed such a candle after a gap up and doji star, it's ripe for a evening star. Evening star is typically a red candle that it forms after such an up move, but that doesn't mean that it is going to trend as reverse, but there can be a pullback, which is what I'm saying. So hence the first level of support that is available is the daily upper band. Whether it is breaking down, bears are able to push the price below the Bollinger upper band or not, one has to see, because bulls, it will be very difficult to hold above the upper band, because Bollinger upper band, holding above the Bollinger upper band or holding below the price below the Bollinger lower band is something extremely difficult, both scenarios. So hence that is something, the first one. Then below which is the 2023 close, that is the calendar year close, which is at 21,487.245, and if that is also below which you have 21,150.95, which is the April 2nd close. So all these are all good supports that can be seen, beyond which like one has to, trader has to see the situation and accordingly take position. Thank you very much.